Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my video for the first time, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and also click the thumbs up button to like my video. Hi, this is an easy, quick, natural, energy boosting drink. 5 minutes and it's ready. A glass of this every day and you're ready to go. Come with me as I show you how to make this energy boosting drink. So you start off by peeling your ginger like this. You need to be patient to cut it properly. I know some people don't like to peel it, but if you want to have a smooth consistency when you blend the ginger, you need to peel the skin off. So after peeling the ginger, you can wash it and then cut into smaller slices like this for easy blending. So I'm just going to blend the ginger. I'm going to add some water also to make the blending easy. Once it's smooth, I'm going to turn it off and move to the next stage. So the next stage of this is to cut 2 lemons for the size of ginger we're using. 2 lemons. I'm going ahead to squeeze out the juice. I'm using a citrus juicer to squeeze out the juice from the lemons. So once I'm done squeezing out the juice from the lemons, I am also going to sieve the blended ginger. So just sieving it to remove any strands from it like this. Then I added the lemon juice to it, and that's it. So another thing I did, which is optional, is to add a pinch or half a pinch actually. This measuring is a pinch, so I added half a pinch of paprika. So mix thoroughly and the juice is ready. So it doesn't take long to prepare. It is ready. So this is a natural energy boosting drink. Ginger contains antioxidant, it's anti-inflammatory, it helps with digestion, and also help with relieving pains in the muscle and menstrual cycle. Lemon contains lots of vitamin C, and it's an energy booster on its own. Lemon is rich in antioxidants also and helps to boost immunity and also protects us from diseases. Lemon is beneficial for clear skin and also improves digestion just like ginger. And lemon can also prevent kidney stone. This is very good. It tastes very good. Subscribe to my channel, click the like button, the thumbs up button, click the thumbs up button and share my videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.